Hey tech friends, welcome back into tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to create list on WhatsApp, which will organize your charts. So in this, I will guide on of this just and step-by-step process to create list on WhatsApp. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on mobile device. So now you can see on the top one search bar is there. Below that you can see different options are there like all, unreads, favorite, groups and one plus type icon is there. But if you will create your list, it will also come here only. So I will show. Now you can see here plus type icon is there. Tab on plus type. Inside that plus type you have to give your list name which you want to be give, you can give, but I will give as a friend only. So inside there now you can see here it's showing one option as a add peoples or group. So I will select from here. So I will select. Yeah, now you can see here at the below one tick option is there. So tab on this. So now you can see here your friend list is added on that option. So I will show once again. Yeah, now you can see below that search bar one all, unread, favorite, groups and then friend list option came in there. So in this way you can create list on WhatsApp which will organize your charts. So if you want to chat with that friends whom you selected, so you can select and chat with them easily. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.